all seen the new digging gloves on the market now and are waiting for an honest comparison. Beware of knockoffs. Don't kid yourself. Knockoff products from China are really cheap for a reason. They don't offer the proper fit, quality, nor the effectiveness that comes with high production values that original products provide. They hire foreign companies to manipulate reviews online and offer false claims like, one size fits men, women, and most children. If you believe that, then I have a bridge to sell you. Honey Badger is the original digging glove invented and manufactured by an American company with local inventory and is far superior to Chinese Garden Genie knockoffs.
You also want to be careful that you actually get the Honey Badger glove. This one here is a knockoff. It's the Garden Genie brand, and these gloves are not nearly as well made. The company that puts these ones out actually have some judgments against them, so just be safe and buy the real Honey Badger gloves.
Proprietary manufacturing techniques provide a high-quality product that fits and works as intended. When shopping for digging gloves, it's important to know that a properly manufactured digging glove has the claws sealed all the way around the finger, unlike the cheap knockoffs like Garden Genie that are just thrown together. This ensures that the claws will be effective for most gardening tasks and won't be loose and cause injury and fatigue to your fingers as you use them. So forget the hundreds of Chinese knockoffs like Garden Genie brand gloves that fall apart and are poorly made and don't offer sizes or colors. Get the gardening tool that fits like a glove. These gloves have been popular on QVC, as seen on TV, and other shopping channels. The isolation pocket is a patented unique feature that protects your fingernails, unlike any other glove.
Here's the other one.
And that part down here, this here, is where you have all that extra space to protect your fingernails from breaking your nails, getting dirty,
These are awesome.
and bleeding.
The claw design enables you to use the stronger part of the finger without even using the weaker fingertip at all. Literally the one tool you need for small gardening tasks. Many colors and sizes, as well as claw variations, are always available. Can you dig it? Make gardening fun again. Make the right choice for your gardening needs. The original digging glove. See the digging glove comparison chart on our website. Use these links to learn more about our digging gloves. Happy gardening!